Thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. Today we discuss the healing properties of flowers. Flowers possess an inherent beauty that transcends mere aesthetics. They possess a remarkable therapeutic power that can positively impact our well-being. Throughout history, various cultures have recognized and harnessed the healing properties of flowers. Whether it be through their vibrant colors, delicate fragrances, or soothing presence, flowers have the ability to uplift our spirits and promote a sense of tranquility. Studies have shown that exposure to flowers can reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. The mere sight of a blooming flower can evoke feelings of joy and happiness, instilling a sense of calm within us. Additionally, the scents emitted by certain flowers, such as lavender or jasmine, have been proven to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Engaging with flowers, whether through gardening or arranging bouquets, can also be a meditative practice that enhances mindfulness. The act of tending to plants and witnessing their growth fosters a deep connection with nature, grounding us in the present moment and allowing us to find solace amidst life's challenges. Incorporating flowers into our living spaces can transform them into sanctuaries of well-being. By surrounding ourselves with the beauty of nature, we create environments that nourish our souls and promote emotional balance. In conclusion, the therapeutic power of flowers is undeniable. Their presence can heal, rejuvenate, and restore our well-being. So, let us embrace the magic of flowers and allow their gentle influence to enhance our lives. Links can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.